Smoky street style karahi. Preparation: oil equals half cup. Asterisk in a wok. Add 1/2 cup full oil and heat it. Asterisk now add fenugreek. Fry it for a few minutes. Then add chicken in it. Fry until golden brown. Asterisk add ginger garlic. Salt in it and fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Asterisk add 3 to 4 green chilies, fry it for 2 to 3 minutes, and then take out from the wok. Asterisk add 4 tomatoes cut into 2 pieces and cover the lid for 5 to 10 minutes. Asterisk after 5 to 10 minutes you have noticed that the tomatoes are properly cooked. Peel off the tomatoes and mix it. Asterisk add red chili, black pepper, coriander seeds, cumin seeds and 1/2 cup of yogurt to make a gravy. Asterisk mix all the ingredients. Cover the lid and cook on low flame for 10 to 12 minutes. Give a coal smoke cover it for more 2 to 3 minutes. Asterisk add ginger and julienne. Alhamdulillah, our karahi is ready to eat. I hope you people liked it. So, kindly don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel.